Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find where to find your hidden photos albums in the Photos app on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then what you want to do is tap on Photos, and in the Photos app, what you want to do is tap on Albums, and if you go down to the Utilities section, there should be a hidden album. Now if you don't see the hidden albums in the Utilities section, what you want to do is go back to your home screen, go into Settings, and in Settings you want to tap on Photos, and in Photos make sure that you tap on Hidden Album and enable the hidden album. Once you have enabled it, you can go back to your Photos app, and in here it will now show the hidden albums, and you can tap on it to view all your hidden photos. And that's it. So that's how you can find all your hidden photos on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.